Hello, my name is Ben Surato and I'm a student at Baker College studying supply chain management. Recently I was able to observe the workings of a local anonymous organization focusing on their manufacturing and immediate supply chain. It is my belief that the most significant function of any supply chain is the process by which raw materials are transformed into finished goods. Today I am presenting my findings as well as an in-depth review of operations and identification of shortcomings. Located in mid-Michigan and established in 1988, this employee-owned organization is an industry leader in plastic injection molding. Their product focus is primarily stadium, theater, and gymnasium-style seating. Producing roughly 1.5 million pounds of plastic products and clearing $17 million in sales for 2014, this organization maintains their position as a profitable small business. Almost exclusively, this organization sources their plastic pellets from regional suppliers in two quantities: 2,000-pound Gaylord boxes and bulk by tanker truck. While this organization favors core competencies and internal manufacturing for most component parts, some sub-assemblies and component parts are sourced and stored as inventory. Once received, bulk materials are transferred from storage silos direct to molding equipment. Volumetric feeders weigh specified quantities, which are then released to molders. After the molding process, parts are handled by robot, then transferred to human operator cells for trimming, inspection, assembly, and packaging. Packaged quantities are barcoded and sent to audit for entry into the inventory system, at which point they will be staged for shipment or warehoused for future demand. For high volume and recurring orders, a company-owned truck makes daily deliveries and returns with dunnage. Less frequent, smaller, and more distant deliveries are left for the customer to arrange pickup and transit. This organization utilizes two software packages as part of their inventory and material resource planning programs. The FX software is a tracking system that uses barcode technology for data entry. That said, it is the responsibility of the shipping receiving department to scan incoming and outgoing materials if the software is to be effective. For bulk materials that are physically unable to receive barcodes, such as plastic pellets, human entry operations are necessary. Usage is recorded by way of physical checks after forecasted data suggests low quantities. MATEC is an MRP system that schedules and tracks equipment processes. As customer orders are received, human entry into the MATEC software enters order specifications such as product, quantity, and lead time. Interfaced directly with all 16 molding presses, the MATEC software is able to track cycle times, output counts, efficiency, and even scheduled downtime. Given capabilities, it was a surprise to learn that these systems are not networked to work in unison. Overall, the production process characterizes good use of lean operations. Technology is optimized in equipment functionality, material handling, and production scheduling, which adds to a value-driven supply chain. Examples of such are the use of robots, vacuum material transfer, and the MATEC MRP software. The use of information technology is the single biggest area of improvement this organization can make. Efforts should be made to single-source software that enables both MRP and inventory control function. This step would eliminate unnecessary human data entry and more accurately record usage against available inventory. Upgrading software that allows for networking capabilities between suppliers and customers will also enhance lean operations, providing automated demand entry into MRP and streamlining the inventory control system. While these improvements could be beneficial, they do come with a significant time and cost structure. As such, it is important to plan improvements based on value-added functions that directly impact your return on investment. This organization could also benefit by creating metrics for their suppliers. Focused on quality and delivery, the ability of a supplier to come through on time and up to par is critical. At present, the long-standing relationships this organization has with their suppliers have proven their ability to deliver. However, to avoid complacency and oversight, this function should be a priority. In addition, this organization needs to expand their search for other possible suppliers of high-volume raw materials, so as to not be affected by primary supplier issues. A backup supplier for plastic bulk pellets should be located. A final suggestion is the standardization of plastic pellets to bulk inventory only. This would eliminate the smaller Gaylord quantities as well as warehouse space and material handling labor. The cost of this action, however, would negatively impact the ability to serve specific customer needs through product customization. In closing, I hope this presentation was of value to you today, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.